Welcome to the interactive workshop. Join your class by clicking on the link in your email. If you have not used Zoom before, download and install a small software from Zoom. It works on both Mac OS and Windows. This will help you set up the system before the class. Please make sure you have downloaded all the training materials before you start the class. Launch the program. Click on the Join button to join the class. The training room ID and password is listed in your email. Check your audio and video settings here. You can join the class with just video or audio only, or audio and video together. Click on the chat window to say hi to everyone, or directly to the trainer by clicking on their name. During the class, you can share your screen to the trainer if you have a question. You can also allow the trainer to remote control your computer. Your trainer will need your permission to access your computer every time. At any moment, you can take back the control by denying access to everyone. Every class will be recorded for you to revise later. Our synchronous workshop allows you to interact with your trainer immediately, a collaborative learning environment to help you achieve your training goals.